Okay, in this video, we're gonna make a lemon dilly dip that you can also use as a salad dressing. You'll just have to thin it out a little bit more. And we're also gonna make a tomato dressing, a tomato-based dressing. So we're gonna start off with the lemon dilly. And you're going to need about half a cup of homemade cheese. Now, if you haven't downloaded the free recipe book that I've given you, then you should do that, because the recipe for the cheese dip is in there, as well as how to make the cheese. So, about a half a cup of the cheese and a teaspoon and a half of onion, because we don't want it to be very strong. So one of the things about raw food recipes is that the flavor comes out a lot more because you're not cooking it away. And now I've also got a quarter of a cup of dill and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, pinch of salt, and then we just stir it up. Looks like a lot of dill when you start off, but it won't be after we get it all mixed up. Okay. There's your dip. Look at that. Okay, and that's all there is to it. So it's like I said, it's a dip. But if you want to make it into a salad dressing, then you're just going to thin it out with some of your nut milks. And you already know how to make those, don't you?